Welcome back. Rockout Reactions, YouTubers, metalheads. I'm Paul.
I'm Zach.
And this is Rockout Reactions. So we got a brand new video reaction for you guys tonight. Spoil Engine has dropped Golden Cage. This is off their latest album. We checked out some of it, but we're going to post actually review the album. That's one album we still need to review. But the album was really good. I mean, what do you think of the song so far that's came out for this? Remember, I think this is the fourth single they released. Yeah, they released 30 songs before. This is the fourth video. What did you think of this album so far? Do you like any of the songs we have checked out?
Okay. This band's not like one of my favorites, if I'm honest. They're decent.
Well, this is definitely one of my favorites. I love Spoil Engine to death. They're so fucking good. Like I said, I've liked everything they've came out with, even off their last album, everything off this album. So really excited to do this. Just check it out. This is Golden Cage. By the way, it's 18,000 views for 7 hours. Is that good or bad? New Spoil Engine.
For a couple of years now, slipping into a void. I've been wasting a lot of life now. All my thoughts are running around the world.
This band is definitely in your top 10. That's how good they are.
All the love that's left my face.
Those are like one of my favorite songs in the soul. Then they pick up and just not be an amazing song. I don't like solo songs. I like when they start off slow and they turn it hard and turn it really good. The devil's in detail.
This song or a video for someone's album.
What's off the latest album?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Metal boys. turn around, you know.
Ah.
Wasting a lot of life now.
Alrighty. So that was Spoil Engine and Golden Cage, the brand new single and video. I'll let this guy start it out because everybody knows how I feel about this man. Go ahead.
I mean, honestly, it's over there. I'm honest. The song was way too slow for too long. I'll tell you that now. It's like slow. Like
A lot of it was fast and hard too. I told you, it starts off slow, then it gets hard.
It's a little bit long, too long for me though.
Okay. So, what did you like about it?
When the singing started going faster, the singing wasn't too bad. Screaming was alright. It was definitely dumped in the middle for me.
Whoa! Excuse me. For one, that song was great. It had everything you needed in a Spoil Engine song. Her amazing cleans, and then it's just got that beautiful sound to it in the beginning. And then it gets harder. And then she starts screaming. It has fucking beautiful ass guitars in it. Like, everything about that song was great. Golden Cage is amazing. Big thumbs up on Rock Out
Thumbs in the
Reactions.
middle.
Thumbs up.
It's thumbs in the
It's a thumbs up.
Thumbs in the middle.
It's a thumbs up.
It's lucky. I mean, it really strict the thumbs down for me.
You're an idiot. That's definitely a thumbs up for sure.
That's
Spoil Engine. You guys are amazing. We love you guys here on Rock Out
Yeah,
Reactions.
you guys are alright. That's
How's this guy? Amazing, without a doubt. So, that's all we got for you guys. Drop a comment below. Let us know what you thought of the Spoil Engine song, Golden Cage video. Did you like it? Did you dislike it? Subscribe if you never subscribe. Keep tuning for more music. I'm Paul.
I'm the second.
Rock.